Okay. Let us create fault to PS2 mouse. Refer the table. In this, the three faults are given: F26, F27 and F28. These are the fault switch numbers. The faults are with clock, the power supply 5 volt and the data. The symptom is same, that is this mouse will stop its operation as soon as you create these faults. So let us make fault on this PC1 panel. Keep this F26 fault at off position, that is fault is created, and check that this mouse is not working. The mouse arrow is here. The mouse is not working. Again restore this fault by keeping the switch at on position. Now again check the workability of this mouse. In the same way, you can create different faults related with this mouse as well as USB drive. Here is 9-pin connector provided to connect external serial communication device. This 25-pin parallel port is provided to connect external parallel port device. You can connect any USB module in this socket provided, and you can make these faults F29, F30 and F31. These are the faults related with USB drive or USB device. Let us see some faults on this PC3 panel which are related with power supply as well as with the VGA monitor. Let us see some faults on this LED VGA section. So this F9 fault is horizontal synchronizing is disabled. The symptom will be the LCD or LED monitor will goes in standby. Let us create fault. Make this F9 at off position. The screen will goes off. Again restore this fault. Make it at on position. The faults related with the color red, green and blue are provided on fault switches F11, F12 and F13. If you make this fault F11, the red color will vanish from the screen. Again restore this fault. If you put this F12 switch at off position, green color will vanish on the screen. Restore again. This third F13 is the fault in which the blue color gets vanishes. So again by these fault switches you can make any combinations like F11 plus F12 or F11 plus F13. So those faults are given here. F11 plus 12, 12 plus 13 and 11 plus 13. and this F14 fault is blurred image. On the next panel, this is fault panel for CMOS and front panel. In this, there is one CMOS fault you can create by using the procedure given in this manual. So this is the procedure how to make CMOS error fault. So read the steps one by one and make the faults. One more fault panel is provided as a PC5. On this fault panel, DIP switches, 2 numbers of DIP switches are provided. So in normal operation, keep these DIP switches always at right hand side position. So these switches are provided to create different faults with CD drive, and the another switch is provided to create the faults with hard disk drive. So for this purpose, just you have to keep the switch at left hand position to create a fault. So this is the first switch. So this is kept at LHS side, left hand side. So fault is created with this hard disk drive. With this trainer, one more manual is provided which will give you a complete hardware description about the Intel PCs. So surely with this PC hardware trainer, the students can know the fault finding techniques, diagnostics, and the related information about the PC trainers.